Wondering what is the essential oil Melissa used for? Or what does Melissa oil smell like? In this video, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite uses along with some of the oils that blend best with Melissa oil and some fun facts. I'm Mandy Sommers, essential oil educator and enthusiast. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Teaching about the power of essential oils for the last 9 years, and I'm really excited to share with you a little bit about Melissa essential oil. Stick around to the end and I'm going to teach you how to grab my free essential oil usage guide with 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Before I jump into the content of this video, I always like to ask my YouTube viewers, what are your favorite ways you like to use this particular oil? And today we're talking about Melissa. Go ahead and pop your uses and your tips in the comments below so that our entire YouTube community can learn from one another. So let's jump right in. One of the rarest doTERRA essential oils, Melissa has a wide range of benefits and uses. In particular, it provides a powerful support to the nervous and immune systems and promotes healthy cellular function. So what is Melissa essential oil? Melissa is also known as lemon balm. It has been used as parts of traditional health practices in Europe for over 2,000 years. It was used to support cognitive health and calm the nervous system and support digestive health and promote healthy immune function. The Emperor Charlemagne is said to have ordered Melissa grown in the herb gardens in his empire. The Melissa plant has one of the lowest yielding oils, which means it takes the most plant matter to produce a bottle of oil. Making Melissa essential oil is especially precious. So what is Melissa oil used for? Melissa oil contains the chemical constituents citral, germacrine, and beta-caryopyline, all of which are supportive to the immune system. Experimental research suggests that citral has internal cleansing properties that may help support healthy immune system function when needed most. When taken internally, Melissa helps support healthy immune response. It also provides antioxidant support. Like frankincense, Melissa is supportive of cellular health. The citral content in particular supports healthy cellular function in the nervous system when taken internally. Take a drop of Melissa under the tongue every morning to promote healthy cellular function, support cognitive health, and soothe the nervous system. So what does Melissa oil smell like? The fresh herbaceous aroma of this essential oil is calming and it's soothing. Diffuse or rub on your chest to lessen stress and to promote emotional well-being. It can be especially helpful at night to promote feelings of relaxation and to help encourage a restful night's sleep. Mix Melissa and lavender essential oil with fractionated coconut oil for a massage blend to calm the body and the mind. So what else is Melissa oil good for? Melissa also has surface cleansing properties. It can be used to cleanse and purify surfaces in the home and is especially helpful in the kitchen. Add a few drops to a spray bottle of water and create a simple cleaning spray. Melissa has a soothing effect on the skin, and you can add it to your moisturizer and apply it daily to rejuvenate your skin. Melissa can be used aromatically, topically, internally, and can be applied neat to your skin. Melissa blends well with frankincense, Roman chamomile, balance, grapefruit, lavender, and copaiba. So here are a couple fun facts about Melissa essential oil. It takes 22 pounds of Melissa flowers to produce 5 milliliter of essential oil. Melissa is Greek for honeybee, and its sweet citrus fragrance was known to attract bees. All right, so those are some of my favorite uses and facts about Melissa Essential Oil. It's freebie time. I'm so excited to give you the chance to grab my free essential oil usage guide with common uses and more. So just click the link in the description below, put your email in, and it will show up to your inbox in no time. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the content, and if you want more content like this. Hit that subscribe button, and please reach out to me if you are interested in scheduling a free wellness consultation or in getting 25% off your essential oils. Have a wonderful day. Bye.